In the latest version of VOXI, we've made some improvements to iterative reweighting inversion to make it more powerful in a variety of geological situations. The IRI constraint in VOXI now allows you to refine your model to emphasize positive and/or negative anomalies. You can add the constraint by clicking on the Constraints menu. Select the Add Constraints submenu and choose Iterative Reweighting Model. Select IRI Focus as the constraint type and choose to sharpen the positive, negative, or both ends of the property distribution. If you suspect that the target of interest has a higher geophysical property value than the surrounding rocks, like in the case of VMS deposits, you may opt to put more emphasis in the positive end of the geophysical property distribution and less emphasis on the surrounding rock. In this example, the lenticular shape is better resolved by the positive IRI focused model. Alternatively, if you are attempting to delineate a kimberlite which typically manifests a lower property value than the surrounding rock, you may opt to put more emphasis in the negative end of the distribution and less emphasis on the surrounding rock. In this example, the negative anomaly delineating the kimberlite pipe is much sharper after negative IRI focusing. Finally, some porphyry deposits characteristically show a pronounced variability in their geophysical property distribution, and selecting to emphasize both ends of the distribution at the expense of the mean will help better delineate the structure of interest. In this example, the positive copper porphyry and the negative phyllic alteration zones are more clearly defined after focusing both ends of the susceptibility distribution. An additional change to the IRI constraint is the ability for a user to select both a voxel reweighting constraint and IRI focusing. From the Constraints menu, select the Add Constraint submenu and choose either IRI focusing or a reweighting voxel model. For example, you can now apply both a depth weighting constraint and IRI focusing. With these new updates to VOXI, you're better able to focus your inversion results and create 3D geophysical Earth models that more accurately represent the subsurface geology. Thank you for watching.